Hi there, my name is Sukhpaul Parmar. I am owner and founder of Ready Solar Inc. We install solar panels, we do electrical upgrades, we install battery storage systems, and we are located in Burnaby, BC. I started Ready Solar in 2020 during the COVID pandemic, and I actually was from the financial industry. I was actually doing mortgages, and at the time I was actually trading options full-time, so I had actually given up everything and I was full-time trading options for almost 3 years. And I started solar by accident, and I started my company as Ready Veg Gardening Corporation. So I literally had a logo of a leaf with a carrot, and I was literally trying to grow 500 pounds of veggies in my backyard. I was just trying to learn and somehow get into vertical farming because I saw an opportunity in vertical farming, and I was always interested in sustainable and just some things that are good for the planet. And with the rise of vertical farming, aeroponic, hydroponic, that we could actually make a difference. Little did I realize, or at the time, I actually didn't put too much thought into the electricity, and I had no idea how electricity worked. So I thought I would try calling some solar companies. I only realized I liked it after I went down a rabbit hole, and then I realized that I wanted to go into solar. So I actually named my company Ready Solar, changed the carrot stick into a sunshine, and here we are, almost 300 houses later. I actually started using APsystems early on in my solar career. I actually had to learn everything scratch, which was quite challenging. I didn't have any contact points in this industry. It was really hard at the time. I'm lucky because I got to use all the different inverter manufacturers. So, I actually started with a competitor of APsystems, which is another microinverter manufacturer. And then as time went on, I actually circled back to APsystems later on, because what happens is when you first start solar, you don't realize that you have service calls, and there's RMAs. An RMA is something that's defective because of a hardware or software malfunction. That's a responsibility of the manufacturer, because it's not something that we did. And that's actually valuable time that you have to go back and trying to dismantle the system to take the inverter out. And this costs you a lot of money, and not something that you would think of when you first sell the job. The reason I came back to APsystems is I never had RMAs ever. So that actually solved a big problem with my business, is the reliability of the hardware and the software. When you need customer service, your installers, they go out and customer service is readily available. So APsystems has now upgraded their warranty to 25 years, and now that's even more of a factor to use APsystems. They have AP storage, so it seems like the R&D is keeping up as well. And just the fact that I don't have to basically ever go back, because of an RMA. And if I do have to go back from RMA, I'm sure it's going to be taken care of rather quickly. But the fact that I don't even know an RMA from APsystems is more the fact that why I choose APsystems. Another challenge that APsystems has helped me conquer is basically I can take on any job. It doesn't matter if there's trees, it doesn't matter what type of roof, it doesn't matter if they have high-pitched dormers, low-pitched dormers, multi-arrays, like big arrays. I don't have to worry about the shading. It's also going to handle rapid shutdown issues. I do use APsmart as well, which is another APsystems product that's a great product that lets us install safely. Our electricians don't have to worry about live wires. So I've done solar garden, solar fence, solar pergola, solar everything. And APsystems has allowed us to basically do whatever we need to do to get the job done and not have to worry about. Not many installers might go this route, but we chose to basically go and use every single inverter system possible. Pretty much installed everything that's out there in the market, and there is far and few that will give you no RMAs, and APsystems is one of those brands that never ever had a defective, or we had a bad experience. I was talking to a new installer and telling them why you should use APsystems. You should use APsystems from the reasons I just told you, because first of all, it's ease of installation. You're not going to deal with service calls later on. And if you have to deal with a service call, it's going to happen fast. Customer service is readily available, easy to get a hold of, and make your business run really smoothly.